Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language of a Google form using Google Chrome. If you've opened a Google form that's in a language you don't understand, Chrome can translate it into your preferred language in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and open the Google form you want to translate. For this example, the form is in another language, but I want to translate it into English. Once the form has loaded, right-click anywhere on the page. From the menu that appears, click Translate to English or Translate to your browser's default language. Chrome will automatically translate the text on the form, including the title, questions, and answer choices. If you want to translate the form into a different language, click the Translate icon that appears in the address bar. Then click the three-dot menu in the translation pop-up. Select Choose Another Language. Now pick the language you want from the list. Chrome will instantly translate the Google form into your selected language. If you need additional language options, click More Languages and choose from the complete list of available languages. Keep in mind that this only translates the form in your browser. It doesn't change the original language of the Google form for other users. And that's it. You've successfully translated a Google form into your preferred language using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Forms tips, Google Chrome tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.